Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to configure routing information protocol version 1, or you can say REP protocol. So let me take some devices. I will take 2911 router. I will take the second router as well. We will configure the routing information protocol for two networks. Let me take one switch. Let me take the second switch as well. Let me take some PCs. This is PC1, this is PC2. Let's connect all these devices with each other. Router 0 with router 1, router 0 with switch 0, router 1 with switch 1, switch 0 with PC 0, and switch 1 with PC 1. Let's start the configuration of the routers. Click on the router, go to CLI, go to privilege mode, go to global configuration mode, let me assign IP addresses to the interfaces. For router 0 we have G0 by 0 and G0 by 1. For G0 by 1 I am going to assign class C IP address. Let me first select the interface G0 by 1, IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.0. Hit enter and run the command. Now shut down. Now we have assigned the IP address for the interface G0 by 1. Let's assign the IP address to the other interface as well. Select the interface G0 by 0 and IP address 10.0.0.1, subnet mask 255.255.0. Now shut down. Let me first assign the IP addresses for all the devices. This is the IP address for this PC and 192.168.1.1 10.0.0.1 10.0.0.2 172.16.1.1 172.16.1.2. This is the IP address for this PC. This is the IP address of this router. It is the gateway IP address for this network. This is the IP address for this interface. This is the IP address for this interface. This is the gateway of this router, and this is the IP address of this PC. Now we have assigned the IP addresses for one router. Let's now configure the routing information protocol. To configure, simply write router RIP and network 192.168.1.0 255.255.255.0. You need to enter only the network, no need for the subnet mask. Network 10.0.0.0. This is the network between the two routers. Hit enter, exit, and save the configuration. Right, now the configuration is saved. Now come to the second router. On the second router, go to CLI, hit enter. Now go to privilege mode, go to global configuration mode, assign the IP addresses. Interface G0x0 IP address 10.0.0.2. subnet mask 255.255.0. Now shut down, exit. Let's configure the IP address for the other interface as well. Interface G0x1 IP address 172.16.1.1. subnet mask 255.255.0. hit enter. Now shut down. Now let's configure the routing protocol. Router RIP, hit enter, and the network 172.16.1.0. network 10.0.0.0. hit enter, exit, and save the changes. Right, now let's assign the IP addresses to the PCs as well. Go to desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.0. dot 1 dot 2. This is the subnet mask. The gateway is 168.1.1, and let's assign the IP address for the other PC as well. 172.16.1.2 subnet mask, and the gateway is 172.16.1.1. Now let's verify the IP addresses. ipconfig. Now the IP address for this PC is 172.16.1.2. Let me ping the gateway of its own network, 172.16.1.1. Now you can see the reply is coming from its own gateway. Let's ping the IP address between two routers. Ping 10.0.1. Now the reply is coming from the network between two routers. Ping the IP address 2 as well. Now also reply is coming. Now ping the other network which is different network, 168.1.1, the gateway of that other network. Now reply is coming from that network as well. Ping the PC as well. Now the reply is coming from that PC as well. Let's ping from this network as well. First verify the IP address, ipconfig 1.2. Let's ping that network as well, 16.1.2. Now the reply is coming. Now we have successfully configured the routing information protocol version 1, and everything was running normal from every device. The reply was coming successfully. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.